It's week 2 of the Friday Football Frenzy, and one team is getting a lot of attention.
They are undefeated, and get this, the team is made up of homeschool students.
Shannon Sims reports from Carroll University.
These kids travel from near and far to be a part of this team, and as you can see from the scoreboard, they're on a roll. Under the Friday night lights, the Swisher Saints hit the field.
A lot of kids that normally wouldn't have a shot at even being on a football team get to be on the field part of the time.
This group of 28 players make up the Southeast Wisconsin Christian Homeschool Athletics football team. Yes, I said homeschool.
A lot of people don't know there is a homeschool team, first of all, and they find out we're out here and we can actually play football. I think, yeah, they're like, whoa.
The team draws a pretty good crowd. The Saints have a 2-0 record so far this season, but these kids say they play for more than just a win.
Well, yeah, we're playing for God. I mean, it's obviously fun to win, but win or lose, it's all for Him.
The head coach admits the team has its challenges with no funding, limited equipment, and a practice field that is literally a field behind a church.
If we throw a pass more than 10 yards, the kid is going downhill to try to catch the pass. We are probably the most underdog team that there ever was.
With brains, brawn, and the Bible, this team is shaking up high school football.
How do we do it? It's a task that we could only do with God's help.
For him on 3! 1, 2, 3! For him!
Again, you can see from the scoreboard that these kids come to play and play to win. Reporting in Waukesha, Shannon Sims, today's TMJ4.